Cheers, dog. Word up. Got my weed card and shit. Weed's basically legal. Stupid. So, it's been a while since I've done a video. I've been doing a lot of work. As you can see, we got a lot of paint down. I actually got a sweep in here again. I just did the glass, did the hoods last night. We got 2 coats of paint. I actually might do another coat of paint just because this back corner and like spots on the wall that I've had to fill. It's kills. It's really good stuff, but I need to fill it. I need to make it a little more solid. But our Z-Wave 9600 watt controller with a push button, or radio controlled, I guess you could call it. Everything's looking good. We still got the little ozone generators jammed up in the tubes there for the final smell removal. And we got these new duct fans. These were like 62 bucks a piece for 8-inch, and they're actually pretty damn good. Like 750 CFM, come in just a little over 100 watts power draw. Got rid of all 4 of those fans, even though 2 of the fans were still good. I'll show you a different project a little later that I use those 2 fans in. But I really should have just ordered 2 more because they were drawing over 850 watts between the 4. So I put tubes on these ones, so this way the air actually moves a little bit more air this way by having that little bit of back pressure and a little bit of angle. Plus it actually cuts down on the sound, so with everything running, it's pretty good in here. But got the EC back up on the wall. Still have to put in the RO systems. Got those all trimmed and cleaned and tested, so I got 3 more little like Stealth 100s, which are really all they're like Stealth 200s now. So we'll have more flow rate. But the fans, the ducting, everything is solid. Galaxy ballasts, of course. Those are my new old Galaxies. They'll fire everything. I got 2 I got 12 Hortilux bulbs up in here. I got the filter covers I still got to put on. The filters, but got the trestles down. The trays and bricks are going up tonight. And all the plumbing, all the RO systems, I still got to paint that. I've been sealing that up. Still got to paint that. Got to put the ROs in. And all the water lines on the floor and all the air pumps. I got a couple new air pumps. So basically it's going to be a lot quieter in here. And a lot better. But nice clean glass. Really good airflow. Everything's starting to turn yellow, of course. So yeah, really good progress on that. And of course out here, I wish I had Alexa because then I could just tell her to turn stuff on. But out here, I've got the Nanolux DE600 DE600 HPS and metal halide with the Nanolux Max Par 600 metal halide bulb, DE fixture, and then their HPS. These are bright. These are really powerful. So we've got a shootout. We got these at 220. We got these going up against 2 of the all-new Hortilux SC600s. And with this, I've got, again, the metal halide. I'm keeping the metal halides on the inside. And this is the 600 blue Hortilux metal halide. It won't focus. I don't know why. And the all-new ceramic HPS. So we got these both wired up 220. So all my trays, all my reservoirs, a little bit of photography here and there, all the bricks. So, ooh, regular Z-Wave triggers. I didn't use the big 9600 like I just showed you. I had this autopilot 4-way just hanging around. Got an extra power wire just draped down there because I actually have 2 of the Nanoluxes, so probably end up doing something different with these after the shootout. And just put the other Nanolux out here and just continue to grow big monstrous plants out here. But it's 1200 watts on each side with a metal halide and an HPS. So full mix spectrum, 1200 watts. It's going to be a great shootout. We're going to see who wins in the end. But nice little autopilot on Z-Wave triggered. And in here, it's dark. So we painted the floors. The stall mats are finally painted white. There's my other one. I just got to put the bulbs in. Still got all these old newts. Maybe I'll slip into this video. some of the new stuff that I've acquired. I've actually got a bunch more new Remo, more Nectar. I've got more CX hydroponics. Actually, I'm interested in finally doing a run with. I got more of that coming in. I got more. These are the new Digilux bulbs. Digilux bulbs. And these ones have been run, but in the hoods in the basement, with my sensor on the floor, these are producing 700 plus ppfd. Very bright for having a little bit of age. So eventually they'll replace all the metal halides that are in here. Let me just turn the lights on. See, there's a, oh shit, I can't do it. I can't do it. This one's got the cover on, so I can't hit the button. And I don't have any other lights. Right here, I had all my CFL lights. And there's my camera. Say hi. Oh, geez. Right here, I had all my CFL lights. And I just knocked my camera. Look at that. And I'm going to put all of the Grow Mouse chilled LED lights right in a row of 5 here. Once I get that badass new FSP driver, that's Z-Wave. So it'll all be radio controlled off of my Samsung Smart Things, which, there's my covers. But where's my Smart Things at? There you go, Samsung Smart Things. Get one of these. Get one of these, start buying cheap AC switches, and start automating your grows. Control it by your phone, add a camera to it. You know, start really automating. You can do it for a lot cheaper than you think. And with the LED lights that I'm building, and other, you know, feed systems and such. But little studio over here. Got my mic, got my headphones. The laptop, of course, is running my sensor in the LED room downstairs. Carbon filter. All of this is painted. Got the Galaxy Select watts all up here. Metal halides will go for veg, and they'll be swapped out for the HPSs. RO comes from downstairs, plumbed up here, drain line. Reservoir is going to sit here. Got new air pumps, new air stones. Everything's getting ready to launch. Yeah, I should have hit the button. These things are bright. Both these fixtures, and actually like this setup, I actually want to put a little bit of like rubber material or something in between those two fixtures to basically like super glue them together as one. Then they'll be a little bit more light stable and people won't complain. They're hanging at basically exactly 64 inches right now, but I just want to set this up so it's a perfect shootout. Oh, and I made a trestle that I just have to modify a little bit to be wider apart, but I got a trestle. So more stuff to go in, all the air pumps, all the air stones, some of the new pumps. Yeah. Poppies. Kitty. Alright. And so, still in the basement here. Got all the trestles up for the 4-way single-ended shootout. 1,000 watts between the Sunmaster 2100 at 1,000 watts micromole. That's the Sunmaster, I think, 2100 micromole. This is the Sunlight Systems Max Par, not Max Par, because that's the other ones, but 2380 at 1100 on the Galaxy Ballast, because Galaxy rocks. And then we've got, this should be the Ushio, the Naturalux, but the Ushio. And then the bell of the ball here, which I should turn the lights on, or somehow turn the light on here. The 3 CMH 315s with the Galaxy at 1100. I wish this thing would focus, but at 1100. So like 366 per element. And the damn thing doesn't even blow, even when I forget to turn the fans on. And then the two other 2830 micromole Power Max, whatever you want to call it. So incoming air, way back there's a outgoing air. Z-Wave controlled variable speed fan controllers. Same one up there with that fan pulling air in. And then on the other side it goes through all the fans, pulls air out. There's no heat buildup at all. It's just mad heat in my house. What else? Let's see. Running out of time here.